This is what the deer love right here. So I'm on the edge of my cornfield, my big ag cornfield, and you got goes from edge to 3 foot, 4 foot gray bark dogwood, and transitions up to different types of heavy vegetation. A deer could be standing back in there 20 yards, and if you're quiet and moving slow, they might not see or hear you, and it transitions back into bigger trees 20, 30 yards back in. Every once in a while you have to come through and cut this stuff down and set it back like I did back there, and you get early successional growth.